Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today's product sent to us in return for our honest review is a trumpet. This thing's pretty neat. I'm excited. The first thing I want to mention is how much I like the case for this. It's got the zipper. It's got the Velcro here to help hold it shut. It's got the handles here. It's got clips on both sides to make one for the one big handle that goes across so you can throw it over your shoulder. It also has clips here so you can make it like a backpack. And all of those handles are inside. So all the things it comes with the instrument, it comes with a mouthpiece. This is a 7C. It comes with, like I said, all of the straps for the case. It comes with oil, pair of gloves so you don't get fingerprints all over it when you're handling it, and a cloth to wipe it off. Hopefully I can remember how to play this thing. We'll see, and I'm going to try it now. That's all you're getting. And I promise, everything that didn't sound good about that was due to my lack of skill and having not played it for 35 years. Also, I played a cornet and not a trumpet. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I can play this, and it sounds pretty good to me. But I'm the one playing it, so that's always a thing. Definitely cool, though. I really like the case. I like the case most of all. This thing is so cool. So whether you're looking for a replacement instrument or picking up a new one, I definitely recommend this.